Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. This is your general and love reading for the month of July. Why June? Oh, sorry naman, July. So again, hi! O, diba? It's Fias Tarot. So, Taurus, this is your reading for the month of July. General and love read. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po no, sa ating items and charms. Okay? So, yeah, meron tayong protection from evil eye. So, meron tayong ring. This is adjustable. Yung isa naman nating evil eye protection na necklace. So, ito siya. Okay, so there, this is unisex by the way, and oops, non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. Okay, so meron din tayong bracelets, no? Dalawa na bracelet. This is available in red strings mo po. Okay, bakit ganon? Bakit ganon yung aking pagsasalita? Hindi ko malaman. So, Taurus, so isang adjustable and isang garterized. So, yung garterized natin is ganito. Okay, yan. Okay, and yung ating adjustable is ganito. Ito yung merong initial po, ha? Initial ng magmamay-ari ilalagay namin. Okay, so again, available in red string. Okay, so there. Ayan ang ating mga protection sa mga evil eye na ibinabato sa atin na madalas ipinapasuot ko every time na meron kang ganito, love and money bracelet, and itong ating granter. Pinagsasabay ko yun. Okay po, para maproteksyonan. Okay, yung mga minamanifest, yung mga pwedeng i-provide or ibigay sa inyo nitong dalawang to. Okay, anyway, si 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Meron itong citrine. Okay, meron tong citrine stone. So, yung citrine po, kung kahit inyong i-google, that is for abundance, money magnet, yung ating citrine, no? So, hindi lang love yung makukuha mo, kundi money rin. O, diba, Taurus? Oo. So, maganda to sa business. Okay? Kung you're into business, kung meron kang trabaho, yes, andito yung pay raise, yan, nandyan yung recognition whatsoever, promotion for some of you. Okay? So, again, I need your real name. Okay? Kung ito is for purchase, sandali lang po. Ha? Sandali lamang. Okay, so medyo may maingay sa labas. So, kailangan lang nating patahimikin. Para mas malakas pa boses sa akin, no? Anyway. So again, the 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Kung lalaki ka, gusto mo to, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch, i-keep mo sa pocket mo or sa bag mo. So wag mo lang ilalayo. Okay? Kasi yeah, may mga dahilan tayo. Anyway, so yeah, ito namang ating granter. Kanina sabi ko, pareho nito ni love and money, kailangan merong nagpoprotekta sa igagrant niya pagdating sa'yo. Poprotektahan mo yung minamanifest mo sa pamagitan po ng mga evil eye protection. Okay? Isa na yun Isa na yun sa pagpoprotect. Isa na yun. Okay? Isang way na yun para maprotektahan ninyo yung inyong manifestations sa mga hindi natin gustong kalaban. No? So, yun po, ha? And again, si granter is taga-grant lamang. Okay, and yes, tagapag-provide, tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Okay, weekly. Meron ako nakikita dito na nagmamayari ng granter, pero hindi niya napapansin na si granter yung nagpo-provide sa kanya nun. Yeah, I'm channeling. Yung parang hindi niya na naiisip si granter. Para may napasok sa kanya weekly, tapos wala lang. Kahit magpasalamat, parang wala. Okay? Anyway. So, nakakalungkot yung ganun, no? I don't know. So, yeah, kasi kailangan parang gawin yung kaibigan tong mga to. Anyway, so, yun po ha. This is made to order. Si Grantor necklace. Made to order. Okay, yeah, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and yeah, unisex. Okay, so yung atin namang last is yung ating cord cut. Yung pangtaboy, yung pangalis ng alat. Pang-alis ng MALAS. Kung sino man yung nagbibigay ng ganun sa inyo, itataboy niya yun, iaalis niya yun. Igagard niya kayo from them or from that, from those na nagbibigay ng alat at hindi magandang energy sa iyo. Okay, so yan po si cord cut, ha? So again, kung may mga tanong, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Wag po sa comment section, please. Ang dami ko talaga nakikita sa comment section, hindi ko nire-replyan yon. Okay, so sa PM, okay, sa message. Sinasabi ko naman dito, pero bakit may mga nagko-comment pa rin? Anyway, so Taurus, in general, what's for you ngayong July? So the reading starts 6:07. Okay. What's for you in general? Okay. Chariot in reverse. I'm hearing pwedeng magkaroon ng sira sa sasakyan, may i-fix sa sasakyan mo, something like that. That's specific, not for all. Okay, the Chariot in reverse. The Seven of Cups in reverse. Oh, may magbabalik. Could be a Cancerian or water sign. Somebody is hindi pa rin totally makamove on from you. This is a past person, mga Taurus. Makikipag-ayos, makikipagbalikan. Specifically, paano malalaman ng mga Taurus na ito yung person nila? Sino to? The King of Wands. Somebody na pwedeng ma-ego, ma-pride. Some of them, they're good looking. Okay, they're good looking. Makarisma. Mga ganyan. I found this person good looking. Okay, babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender niya. They're good in bed. They're good in bed. Next, what else? Taurus. The High Priestess. Some of you may mga aralin or may mga babalikan na aralin. Ito I don't know, this is channeled. I'm hearing irregular. Back subject. And pwedeng ito ay nakatago. Okay, I don't know. May nakatago dito na ganun. Like, irregular na pala siya. Akala mo regular. I'm talking about, somebody na pwedeng nasa college. Anyway, that's not for all. Pero nakuha ko yung energy na yun. So, kailangan kong sabihin para maging gabay. I don't know. Check your mga anak. Kung nasa college, check ninyo. Let's see. Kasi pwedeng yeah, I'm hearing back subjects. Death in reverse. I'm hearing back subjects. Irregular. Okay. Some of you, somebody is waiting for your downfall. Somebody is waiting for your downfall. Yeah, Temperance in reverse, yung mga kagalit nyo. Okay? Pero naghihintay dito ng downfall mo, Taurus. Yeah, Justice in reverse. The Lovers in reverse. I don't know kung sino tong mga to. Merong nangyari sa inyong arguments or disconnect with this person. Yeah, this is in general. And yeah, they're waiting for your downfall ngayong July. Okay? So, protect your energy. They're giving you evil eye. They're throwing you evil eye. So, what else? Yeah, the Magician in reverse. Kita nyo? Kasunod. the Magician in reverse. Even though some of them, they don't know na pwedeng hindi sila aware na nang evil eye na pala sila. Alam mo yun, evil eye is like low-key na black magic. Alam nyo ba yun? Some of you, hindi nyo alam yun. Anyway, pwedeng hindi kayo aware. Because you're throwing negative energy kung kanino. Kung ikaw nagbibigay ng evil eye. Okay? Anyway, the Magician in reversed. The Seven of Pentacles. Be careful. Okay, be careful who you trust. Okay? I'm hearing pendings, online payments. Okay? I'm hearing errors, no? Pagdating sa pera. Parang may mga ganyan. Yeah, this is money. The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Sabihin nating issue pagdating sa pera ngayong July. An issue. This is like, sabihin nating specific. Pwedeng may mangyari lang na parang mapepending na pera or mapepending na bayad. The Five of Wands. This is energy of drama, problem. Okay, so and be careful who you trust. Lalo na pagdating sa pamemera mo. The Tower in reversed. So may chance na pwedeng parang ima-maneuver, no? Like, this is a gabay, so pwede ninyong maiwasan. Okay? So be careful. Just be careful. Anyway, so there. So next, the person on your mind, Taurus. Okay, the person on your mind. Who is this? The person on Taurus' mind. Who is this? The person on your mind, Taurus. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody who is not available for you. I think they rejected you. Or pwedeng ikaw nag-reject sa kanya. You don't trust them. Some of you. Hindi mo maaasahan, I think. Queen of Cups. Some of them, they're into, this is specific, not for all. They're into same gender. Some of you, same gender kayo. May chance kasi itong taong to is parang may pagkamakasarili. Mapapansin mo yun sa kanya. Okay? Focusing on themselves, on their selves. Parang ganyan yung energy. Anyway, so, ano bang situation nyo sa ngayon? The Page of Wands in reverse. Somebody or something is not improving. There's delays pagdating sa situation. The Page of Cups in reverse. So, page. Okay. Pwedeng emotional issue ang nakikita ko rito. The Nine of Pentacles. So, nakikitaan ko ng one-sidedness. May word bang ganun? One-sidedness. So, one-sided dito sa connection. Okay, somebody is too kind. Somebody is too giving. Then the other is not. Okay, the Five of Pentacles. Too immature. I think this is like immaturity. So what is the emotion for you? What is their emotion for you? Judgment. Eight of Swords in reversed. Maluwag na maluwag. Yeah. Maluwag na maluwag. The Ace of Pentacles. Some of them, they're too materialistic. They're too materialistic. Some of you, you always provide their needs. You always provide their needs, their wants. Okay? So, pakiramdam ng taong to, sobrang luwag ng connection na to. Okay? The Magician, the High Priestess. Some of them, mayroong taktika to. Mananahimik lang to. Kung galit, mananahimik to. Alam niya na kaya mong gawin, kaya mong ayusin kung anong dapat ayusin. Alam mo yun, hindi siya nagiging upfront. Hindi, I don't know. It's like immaturity. Yung hindi siya nagsasabi, bigla na lang siyang tatahimik. Hindi papaalam kung anong nangyari. Hanggang sa magagalit na rin siya kasi hindi mo ma-figure out. Something like that. It's so annoying. Pero you're too kind. Taurus, you're too kind. Sila nakaka-relate dito. Next action. Let's see. Anong next action nito sa'yo? Ngayong July. The Ace of Wands in reversed. Wala pa rin pong pagbabago. Why? The Devil in reverse. Kasi lagi mong iniintindi. You don't need na gawin yon. Okay? Again, you're feeding a monster. You're feeding a monster kung ginagawa mo yan palagi sa kanya. The Nine of Wands universe. Nakakaumay ito, Taurus. So, anong advice for you? Anong advice for you? Some of you kasi hindi ka nakikinig. Masyado ka lang din talagang mabait or masyado mo lang talagang love itong taong to. So, kahit ano, pwede mong isuko or whatsoever. So, sa mga gusto ng advice, let's see. Two of Pentacles, timbangin mo. Manimbang ka. The Knight of Wands in reverse, timbangin mo. Okay? The Three of Wands, mag-isip ka. Tama pa ba to? Okay? See, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, you're avoiding this to happen. Ano po yan? This is the energy of a missed opportunity. Hello? Hello? Nakakita ka ng missed opportunity sa ganito? Baka siya dapat ang makakita nun sa'yo. Kung hindi siya aayos. Ikaw pa ba ang makakaramdam nun sa kanya? Wala naman tong iniambag. I'm sorry. I'm talking to someone here. This is too immature yung person mo. Okay? Masyado kang maluwag Okay? Kaya hindi rin kita masisisi. Kasi love mo. Ganoon naman Okay? Pero advice for you is to balance things out. Timbangin mo. Manimbang ka. Tama pa ba to or hindi? Okay, and then it's up to you kung anong makikita mo. Alam ko naman na tinimbang mo na rin to. Nanimbang ka na rin. So this is like a decision na pwedeng sabihin nating head over mind. I mean, head over heart decision. Okay? So there. Let's see. Okay. Aries through Pisces for you, Taurus placements. Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Aries, okay, there could be changes, separation, or endings. Taurus, they're dropping you. Gemini, they want to come back. You're their best option. Cancer, they want to be with you. They want stability. They want to reunite. Leo, they're stalking you. Lalo na po, no, kung merong separation, they are stalking you. Virgo, their back is turned. They're dropping you. Ayaw na nila sa'yo. I'm sorry. Libra, conflicted. There's issue here. Ikaw yung nakikita niya na something or somebody na pwedeng makakatulong sa kanya. In a way, I don't know. Scorpio, I'm hearing makeup sex with the Scorpio. Sagittarius, they're too immature. Capricorn, you're telling lies. Or something like, ayaw nila ng lies. Ayaw nila ng, yeah. I think this Capricorn wants you na maging upfront ka. Or ikaw. Or siya sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Aquarius, they're guarded. They're guarded. They're waiting for you. Some of you I'm hearing parang last one last chance, parang ganyan with an Aquarius. Pisces, okay, so may chance na may mag-end na no contact dito. They will reach you out. Okay, the Ace of Cups is here. The Three of Cups, yeah, reunite, reconnection maybe. Anyway, so there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.